Why is understanding Argus Enterprise software so important? Argus Enterprise is the dominant software package in the United States for the analysis of commercial real estate. It also has some global penetration, but I think it's important to learn about the software because if you're working on a multi-tenant office, retail, industrial deal in the United States, you just need to know how to use it. Also, increasingly, as American firms are working globally, they often have their partners or other branches of their organization use Argus. I've done a bunch of Argus trainings for US-based firms that have foreign operations, and they use Argus throughout the organization. If you take my webinar, you'll learn a few things. You'll learn how the software is used, what are the major product types that Argus is used on, and also probably push you in the right direction that if you do start using it, at least you're aware of some of the pitfalls you might encounter and key things you should be aware of when trying to use the software. I think the main reason to take the webinar is that if you have any interest in Argus, it's good to get honest advice on how the software works from someone who has a lot of experience using it. I'm not a salesperson. I don't work for Argus. I'm an independent person who has just been using the software for 20 plus years in a variety of roles. I have bought real estate with it. I've sold real estate. I've acted as a broker. I've done asset management. I've done financing. I've got a lot of experience using the software, and I think if you take it, my webinar, you'll understand how the product works and make an informed decision on whether or not it's a product you want to use in the future.